What's the matter? You want milk, Sienna?
No.
You want juice?
No.
You want water? What do you want? You want this? You want this? Huh? You want this? Is this what you want? You don't want it? Okay. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want to eat? You want elbow skivers? Look what Maka's making. Maka's making elbow skivers in Wiggle's plate. Wow, look at that. You want some of that elbow skivers, baby? Hmm?
It's Wiggle's ball.
You want that?
Wiggle ball.
Wiggle bone? You want that? Huh? You want that today? And you want milk? Okay, good girl.